Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, y'all. I'll be right back.
All I wanna do is spend my time with you. But we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to?
I really like the smell of blackberries. I could have put it in the grinder, but I really don't want to. I kind of wanted it to still have like a thick consistency, so I didn't want it to be all, you know, juiced out. And matter of fact, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna actually mix the lye water to the oils. All right, so here it goes. We're adding the lye water to the oils. Remind y'all, I'm actually holding the phone and pouring with one hand, so bear with me. To mix it around. So I still have the puree right here, and we're gonna scent this soap in lemongrass with hints of vanilla. I already started stick blending it. You guys, you got to be really careful when you're using natural sugars inside of soaps. You got to watch your temperature and stuff, because if you don't, sugar actually speeds up the process. Oh my goodness, the smell of this is like so delicious. You smell like the sweet, soft lemon. So what it was lemongrass with hints of vanilla. We're about to get ready to pour this soap. As you can see, it has hit trace. Now we have reached the fun part. We're gonna just design this soap. Find what texture we want. I didn't have one in mind, so it's like my go-to. That's really kind of fast too. Look at that. But we're not finished. Try to put it to the side so y'all can see it that way too. We are not finished. Okay, so this is the soap. It smells so freaking, it almost smells like Fruit Loops. Definitely smell like Fruit Loops. Alright, you guys, so here's the soap. See it? So what we're going to do next is like the pre-wash test. This is the butt of the soap, and I'm going to cut a piece off of it. This is how much we're going to use, and let's go. Welcome to my bathroom. I have the water running. Here's the little piece of soap. I just put a little bit under, take my hand, and then I'm going to begin. Washing. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm serious. The smell is so wonderful. like, here's the soap, the bubbles, and this is literally, it's only been made for 2 days. So, let me move the tissue. Okay, that's better. Okay, I kind of don't want to stop washing my hands now. Matter of fact, let me put this soap here. I had a soap dish, but it's probably in the first bath on now. Okay, look at this. So I'm washing it off, and it's really, really soft. Oh, that feels so good. I have to do it again. But it's literally all off. Okay, y'all, so pretty much that was the end of this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. If it's a video or anything that you would like to see, please let me know down below. And be sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Talk to you later.
All I wanna do is spend my time with you. But we both know it ain't the case, babe. Why you asking me questions that you know the answer to?